In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your crypto from eToro to external wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a specific crypto asset within eToro and you would like to transfer it elsewhere, then follow the instructions in this video. You will be able to start this process by going over to eToro and then choosing the specific asset that you will be transferring over, for example, Bitcoin. When you tap on any asset that you see here under your crypto profile, you will see information about it, all the recent transactions here, and you will most importantly find the option to send and receive. If you want to send from eToro to an external wallet, just choose the send option located at the left. If you want to receive the crypto within eToro, then choose receive instead. But for this video, we're going to be focusing on the send option. Upon choosing send, you will now be able to input the amount that you will be sending, either in Bitcoin or the specific asset that you chose, or in your local currency. So choose whichever one you prefer. Afterwards, you will have to input the wallet address. So this wallet address is going to be from the external wallet that you will be transferring into. This is going to differ for every single wallet. I'm going to give you a general example on how to acquire the receiving address, but of course, this is going to differ for every single application and wallet out there. So for the example here, I chose Arculus. Within Arculus, what you have to do is tap on the specific asset that you will be receiving, make sure that it matches the one that you will be sending over, and upon tapping on a specific asset, you will find the receive option. So choose receive on that asset and you will be given the wallet address to copy. As I've said before, this process is generally the same across all other exchange wallets. So once you copy this wallet address, you can finish this process within eToro by pasting it here. So you paste the wallet address and then you initiate the transfer. Wait for this process to be done. It can take up to some minutes and you will receive the exact amount that you detailed here on your external wallet. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer crypto from eToro to external wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.